The graph at the time of this recording continues to see further breakdown moves after getting rejected within a Fibonacci key area of resistance between the 0.1057 and the 0.1011. And at the time of this recording, we also continue to hold above a horizontal line of support above the 0.0804, the 0.084. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the next target areas that you need to pay attention to, basing my analysis on the additive structures. And starting the video here on the 4-hour chart, from the highs we made above the 0.131, I have been observing a 5-wave structure to the downside, where you can see that from the highs we made up here, I have been terming that initial drop as the formation of that first wave. Then we saw a bit of a bounce over here in the formation of that second wave into the minimum pullback target areas highlighted on the charts using that blue target, that yellow target area, an area within which we got rejected, starting another pullback to the downside in the formation of that third wave. And the minimum target areas for the wave 3 were given by connecting the fib extension from the high of the first wave to the low of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the high of that second wave, and the fib ratios 1:1 above the 0.0981 was my first target area, an area that we fully hit in a breakdown move that gave us a low below the 0.0858. Then we started a bit of a bounce over here in the formation of that wave 4 that managed to get into the minimum pullback target areas for that fourth wave between the 0.1057 and the 0.1011, which is the red target area, an area within which we got rejected, starting another pullback to the downside in the formation of these wave 5. And the minimum target areas for the wave 5 can be given by extending the fib extension to the lows we made in the formation of that wave 3, and on so doing, the area that I'm paying attention to lies on the fib level 0.618, and that lies above the 0.0688 as my next pullback target area. And that means that if by any chance we lose our horizontal line of support above the 0.084, flipping that key area back into resistance, then it is most likely that we are going to continue seeing further breakdown moves to the 0.069 as our next target area. And once we fully hit that target area and complete this 5-wave structure to the downside, then I will start expecting a substantial bounce in the next coming days, breaking above key areas of resistances and significant highs. But for now, we first need to expect that one more new low before we can expect that substantial bounce to the upper side in the next coming days. And that is all that I'm expecting here on the GRT chart. And let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.